Hey there, baking enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the delightful world of the Carolar Cake Pop Kit, a complete baking set perfect for kids eager to explore their culinary creativity. This fantastic kit includes a whopping 76 pieces, featuring everything from silicone cake pop and chocolate lollipop molds to muffin holders, a decorating pen, and even a silicone melting pot. With 12 cake pop sticks, bags, twist wraps, and foil wrappers, plus a recipe and storage case, your little chefs will have all they need to whip up delicious treats. The set is designed to be both fun and educational, teaching kids how to make muffins, cake pops, and chocolate lollipops while developing their creativity, cognition, and coordination. Safety is a top priority, as this non-toxic, environmentally friendly playset ensures peace of mind for parents. And let's not forget, this kit makes a perfect gift for birthdays or holidays, sparking excitement as kids receive their very own baking tools. So, gather the family, follow the simple recipes, and enjoy hours of screen-free fun in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.